What up, guys? If you're out in the field, nifty little tool you can get is this little bad boy. If you need a tripod, very easy. Just buy one of these, get 3 sticks. I'll show you how to do it. Give me a sec. There you go. So basically it's this. Just thread the sticks through, open the legs. You'll feel the metal pinching on the wood. You can put some weight on it. I'll show you how much weight this can take. That's my rifle. Full weight on it. That's my rifle on full weight. I can jiggle it about. It's not gonna move anywhere. Hey guys, let's see how good my homemade tripod is. So I set it up. I set a target over there. Well, let's see if it can handle it. Seems to be, that holds up great. Well, the grouping is shit, but it's not about the shooting. It's about just a nifty little tool that you can have in your pocket. You know, it's just a little small piece of metal, really thin. Drop it in your bag whenever you need a tripod, make a campfire, boil some water, whatever you need. I approve it. Good stuff.